In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily connect your Free Fire account with YouTube account in 2024, and you will be able to get a lot of rewards and a lot of loot. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the YouTube application, then tap on your profile on the bottom right, and then click on your gear icon on the top right. Now once you are on this page, you will have to simply click on connected apps, and then you will have to select Free Fire. For example, Garena, this is the Free Fire, and I will simply click on it and click on connect. Now once you are on this page, you will have to enter your login info. For example, I will select Facebook. You can select Google, Apple, Twitter, or anyone. Now once you're on this page, you will have to enter all of your info, your login info for Free Fire account, and once you will enter it, your account will be connected to YouTube successfully. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.